Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with iTel Smartwatch Fit O20, and on this video, we are going to continue on checking its heart rate monitoring and comparing it with other wearables. On this video, we are going to compare it with the Xiaomi Smartband 9. Previously, we compared its heart rate monitoring with a Huawei Band 10 as well as a fingertip pulse oximeter. This time we are going to check it with a Xiaomi Smartband 9. So if you are interested to see the results, if you want to know if the result is closer to the Xiaomi Smartband 9, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's start and explore the heart rate monitoring of the iTel Smartwatch Fit O20, and we will compare it with our Xiaomi Smartband 9. Okay, so before we wear the wearable, the heart rate monitoring of the iTel O20 will not check or will not continue checking the beats per minute if you are not wearing it properly. So when I tap click to measure, as you can see here, it will alert that you are not wearing the watch properly. Okay, so we'll wear the smartwatch properly so we can check our heart rate as well as the Xiaomi Smartband 9. Okay, so we have here the two wearables. So let's start and explore the heart rate. So I'm going to start the monitoring of the beats per minute here with the iTel Fit O20, and let's have the Xiaomi Smartband 9. It's also measuring now. Okay, so let's wait for the results. We have 84 beats per minute, 82, we have here 87, 86, 84. So let's wait. Again, we have 77, we have 83 bits per minute, 79, 78. Okay, let me adjust first again. I'll adjust the screen, settings, display, auto lock after 1 minute. Okay, going back so we can have a proper checking. Heart rate, click to measure, and let's see. I think the Xiaomi Smartband 9 do have a continuous monitoring of heart rate. Okay, so let's see, 82 beats per minute, 85, 83, 84, 86. Now they are in the range 81 and 80, 79, 80. As you can see, it also drops to 80 and 79. So seems like plus 2 minus 2 margin of error here. Okay, so the difference is plus 2 minus 2, I think, for the heart rate monitoring. Let's have it another checking. Okay, 89, 88. Let's see. So it's now dropping, as you can see here, 81 and 82. So 81, 79. Now it's the same, 77, 78. Almost the same here, as you can see. Again, let's have another one. So very good so far, much closer compared to the Huawei Band 10. Okay, 79, 77. As you can see here, it's now dropping. 79, 80, 83, 80, the same. 79, as you can see here, 79, 76, the same. 75 and 76. Okay, again, last one, So 79, 78, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81. Okay, we have 90 here, and it's now the same. Okay, 82, 83, 86, 84, 85, 83. As you can see, the last one we have the 83, and we have 83 here. So it's almost the same for our Fit O20 if we have a simultaneous monitoring with a Xiaomi Smartband 9. Very good so far. Let's have the blood oxygen monitoring. SpO2, measure, and let's wait. It's now measuring. Again, the heart rate monitoring is good. Okay, the same results with our Xiaomi Smartband 9. So measuring 97%, 99, 98%, the same. It's now calibrating. 95% and 96, as you can see. Okay, very small difference when it comes to the measurement. Another one, measuring. Okay, this is the last one for our blood oxygen. It's now measuring. 97%. Let's wait. So we have 95%, 94, 95, and let's see for our Fit O20. It's still measuring. We have 97. Okay, there's a big difference here when it comes to the blood oxygen monitor. We have 97% and the other one is 95. But when it comes to heart rate, the result is very close. Okay, so I guess the heart rate is much better compared to our SpO2 blood oxygen monitoring. Okay, so we'll check again with other wearables and see if we also have the same results. Okay, but so far that's it for our demo when it comes to the comparison of its heart rate monitoring, comparing it with the Xiaomi Smartband 9. If you have any questions regarding the video demo, drop a comment below, and of course like, share, and subscribe. Bye.